Dear students, hope you are well by the mercy of the Almighty. Though we are undergoing a very critical situation regarding the recent outbreak of coronavirus. So I am here today with you. Before getting into the things, I would like to introduce myself with you. I am SM EBNUL HOSSAIN, Assistant Teacher in English at Police Lines School and College, BOGURA. And our today's class is designed for the students of class 9, and our today's topic is suffix and prefix. And suffixes and prefixes are very important items because suffixes and prefixes helps you to form the words, to form or to converse the words from one parts of space to another. So let's get started. At first, what is suffixes? Suffixes are a group of letters which added to the end of the base word or to the end of the root words. And the prefixes are a group of letters which is added to the front of the base word or root words. This is the definition of suffixes and prefixes. Okay, let's get started on the board. Suffix, 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 suffixes, suffixes are a group of letters added to the end of the base word. So this is the definition of suffixes, and we can see that suffix is always added to the end of the existing words. That means suffix always goes to the last or goes to the end of the existing words. This is the suffix, and now the prefix. Prefixes are a group of letters added to the front of the word, front of the word. That means front of the base word, front of the base word. So this is the major difference between suffixes and prefixes. Suffix is always added at the end of the existing words, and prefix is added to the front of the base words. Now our today's class, at first we are going to talk about the part of suffix. That means we are going to talk about today, suffixes at first. In English grammar, there are many suffixes which forms the words which gives a new meaning, and by adding different types of suffixes we can form the different parts of space. So at the very beginning we are going to form the noun. That means now we are going to learn the suffixes which form the noun. Forming nouns. Here is a list for you, the list of suffixes, and all the suffixes here forms the noun, the words which denotes noun. Suffixes here, the formation of words, Now we are making new words by adding suffixes at the different existing words. The suffixes here, all the suffixes here in the board forms the noun. That means these are the noun suffixes. ER, Now we are going to form the words by adding ER. Or R. Maker, driver, receiver. And we may form a lot of words by adding the suffixes ER or R. These are the three sample or three words that we can make by adding the suffixes ER or R. Now, or invigilate or invigilator, vendor, actor. Now, ISTs suffixes, the words dentist, physicist, lyricist. No. EE, the formation of the word employee, examinee, payee. Now, hook, NESS, NESS, happiness, happiness, attractiveness, truthfulness, So we can say that all the suffixes are added at the end of the word. Here the suffixes er is added at the end of the word make, er, driver, receiver, and all the we can say that all the suffixes are added at the end of the word. Here the suffixes or is added at the end, or. Here the suffixes ist is added at the end of the word, ee, ness. So we can see that all the suffixes are added at the end of the word. Now we would like to cite more examples for your understanding. Here TION, we can make word by adding the suffix attention, nation, and population, etc. Now there are the suffix that from the noun ism, ISM, criticism, feudalism, pessimism, is OOD. The formation of the words by adding the suffix brotherhood, sisterhood, manhood. MENT, improvement, achievement, attachment. So these are the suffixes that by adding these suffixes we can form the different types of words. Here the TION, SOOD, MENT. These are the suffixes, and these suffixes are frequently used to form the words, to form the special noun. There are more suffixes, there are more noun suffixes. A, C, Y. Accuracy, intimacy, solvency, SSIP, friendship, partnership, leadership. TUDE, attitude, servitude, servitude, and these are the two. And these the suffixes TUDE, we should not utter the suffixes tud, rather we should spell the letters TUDE, and then SION, vision, revision, revision, sorry, supervision, supervision. Here we can add the word amplitude, amplitude. So these are the basic and very important suffixes which are used to form the nouns. So you may practice the suffixes, and by adding the suffixes you may form the different words, and in this way this class will be very helpful for you to achieve your desired goal, or to have a good command over the formation of the words, that means the formation of nouns. So suffixes and prefixes are very enormous topic. So one class will not be sufficient for you, and this is our first part, or the part 1, suffixes and prefixes, and we will discuss more details, the forming adjectives and forming verbs, forming adverbs in the next class. That means in the consecutive class, then that means the part 2, part 3, and this class will help you to all of you, and if you practice these lessons, and it will be very helpful for you. So hope you will be benefited from our today's lesson, and stay home and stay safe, and see you again in the next class. Thank you all.